diving here at Ship Happens at JCM. Gonna do a quick after clean video. She cleaned up pretty nice. It is January 10th. Let's go see how she looks. I did mean to note that on the outdrive in the video, you see all the spots where there was heavy particles growing or whatever, and there's like decent corrosion. That got barnacled back up almost immediately, and I don't know if it needs paint or what you guys want to do, but that's the only spot that was really bad. It hasn't been too long, and it built up probably about to like half an inch on it. So, diving. Thanks very much.